warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, viewers.
You're watching Global News with me, Nadia Diva, and my friend.
Mufidah Khairunisa.
We will bring you the latest news from all over Indonesia. The first, politics.
2. Sport.
3. Entertain.
Last, natural disaster.
First, we have politics news, and the title is Jokowi drops nominate Budi Gunawan as Indonesia Police Chef. 1,000 of supporters of Indonesia Police Chef was surrounding outside the presidential place in Jakarta. Jokowi, as the 7th Indonesian president who elected last year, 2014, has dropped amazing thing that Budi Gunawan not as nominee of police chef. In addition, he suspended the 2 leaders in KPK, which is in highly anticipated moves, which as hopes that will ease a bitter stand-off between police and the KPK as to main law enforcement agencies in Indonesia. This decision also to replace Budi Gunawan as on his nominee for next Indonesian police chef that was to preserve the peace as the controversy surrounding on his candidacy, which has split the public, said Jokowi in short statement. Jokowi, also ordered the suspension of KPK Chef Abraham Samad and also his deputy Bambang Wijoyanto, who both of them named as suspects in separate police. C.
The second news is from sport and title is Asian Games 2018. This is the second counting toward the opening of the 2018 Asian Games in Jakarta and Palembang. The opening ceremony will be held at Gelora Bung Karno this Saturday, Agustus 18, 2018. It is said that there will be many tradition dance from Sabang to Merauke. Performance will be broadcast on local TV as well as online. And one day before the big performance, Indonesia will celebrate its Independence Day. The annual ceremony will be held at the State Palace. Every region across the country celebrates this day.
Third, we have entertainment news, and the title is Kim Jong-un dead. A farewell note written by Korean pop star Kim Jong-un made public Thursday, a day after his apparent suicide, points to the crushing pressure he felt from being a celebrity in Seoul, Korea. I am broken from inside, wrote Kim, better known as frontman Jong-un in Korean pop sensation SHINee. The depression that had been slowly eating me up finally devoured me, and I couldn't defeat it. The 27-year-old singer-songwriter was found unconscious at a private hotel in Seoul on Monday and died in the hospital. Police are treating his suicide as suicide. The police said that Kim's older sister has received a text message from him Monday suggesting that he was going to kill himself. On Thursday, a longer suicide note was uploaded on the Instagram account of Nine, a musician with modern rock and dear cloth. According to Nine's management, the note was handed to her 2 weeks before Kim's death. Kim wrote that his doctor has blamed his personality for his inability to shake off the depression. Kim's note does not specify what he had been burned by, but I suggest that being a celebrity added to the pressure.
And the last news is from natural disaster, and the title is Tornado Red Ruined the City. The tornado that occurred in Russia Moscow city yesterday devastated the whole town in a matter of hours. The storm that occurred during the 39 minutes has swept at least 49 buildings and 4 important buildings and swallowed dozens of casualties. The storm that occurred this time was worse than the worst storm ever recorded occurred in Moscow since 1973. It can be said that this storm is the worst storm that ever occurred in Moscow in 100 years. To respond to this disaster, the local response agents have been exerting all the strength to help evacuate victims of the storm. Although the weather has not improved, aid has been called to the victims. Not only the Russian government, but in the form of material aid has been credited by various countries as an expression of their concern. Those are our news today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow on the same time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.